Avoid the ultimate error. Quick fixes for prolonged decluttering. Decluttering can be a daunting task, but it is essential for creating a peaceful and organized living space. However, many people unknowingly make a common mistake that hinders their decluttering progress. In the next few minutes, we will discuss the number one mistake that makes decluttering take forever and provide a three-step approach to break this habit and achieve a clutter-free life. The problem of clutter shifting. Clutter shifting is the act of moving physical clutter from one spot to another while attempting to organize it. It can also refer to the habit of pushing mental clutter further down and away from the top of your mind. Many people resort to clutter shifting because it seems emotionally easier than letting go, provides temporary results, and is synonymous with organizing. However, this approach only creates a larger mess for later and prevents you from truly living with less. The two types of clutter shifting. Clutter shifting can be categorized into two types: physical clutter shifting and mental clutter shifting. Physical clutter shifting involves moving your belongings from room to room or rearranging them without truly decluttering. On the other hand, mental clutter shifting refers to avoiding dealing with mental clutter by pushing it further down and away from your thoughts. The three-step anti-shifting approach. To break the habit of clutter shifting and achieve a clutter-free life, it is important to follow a three-step approach. Sort it out, reduce, and give it a home. Step 1. Sort it out. Sorting out your clutter is the first step towards effective decluttering. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by the task at hand, divide your cluttered areas into individual decluttering projects. Within each project, further divide the clutter by defining what it is, where it belongs, and if you truly need and use it. Consider the function you want your space to serve based on your lifestyle and core values to stay focused on your vision. Step 2. Reduce. Reducing clutter is crucial for achieving clarity and creative control over your life. Letting go of physical and mental clutter may not be easy, but it is worth it. Identify what you value, set up an effective decluttering system, reflect and learn from your experience, and play defense to prevent the return of clutter. Writing can be a powerful tool for reducing mental clutter, but finding someone you trust to talk to can also be beneficial. Step 3. Give it a home. After decluttering, ensure that everything you own has a designated home. Change your habits or rethink how you use the rooms in your home to accommodate your belongings. Avoid cluttering your mind with unnecessary thinking by storing your thoughts on paper. Leaving space for organic thought to happen can lead to a clearer mind. By breaking the habit of clutter shifting and following the three-step anti-shifting approach, you can declutter your life and thrive in a clutter-free environment. Sorting out your clutter, reducing unnecessary possessions and thoughts, and giving everything a home will help you achieve a peaceful and organized living space. Commit to this approach and stay true to yourself on your decluttering journey. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.